And hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And what we have here right in front of us right now is a Bandai item from the Firgure-rise standard line for Kamen Riders. We have Mass Rider Kuuga in dragon form, and yes, you can build him up into Rising Dragon. So just an info, Rising Dragon or Dragon form was first introduced in, I think, episode 5, near the end of episode 5, and then fully we can see him with his rod in episode 6. So first up, the box art. I think this is the one of the episodes wherein, yes, he transforms into dragon form and jumps up the building. And this one here is the first time he transforms into Rising Dragon, wherein it was near the beach. Okay. So you can either build it up as dragon form or Rising Dragon. So off to the side, we have here Kuuga, front and back in dragon form. Yep, you can see articulations, some gimmicks you have in, and of course it tells you it's either to choose, you can choose to recreate the Rising Dragon. Off to the other side, this is the info of those episodes. And here we have Kuuga side by side in dragon form and Rising Dragon, and of course some other accessories. So opening up, we are then greeted with a one bag with all gold. This is actually similar runner to the Amazing Mighty one. Second bag, another gold runner. I think most of these parts are right now for the Rising Dragon form. Earlier one was for the upgrade from Mighty to Rising Mighty, which was included in the Amazing Mighty box. Okay, and then we have here parts for the dragon. Right now it's all blue. We have one bag here with the standard stand in the back and more parts for the dragon form and stickers. A lot of stickers, that is. And we have here one bag. I think this is the main sprue for Kuuga, and previously these parts here, those were red. Now they are dyed in clear blue. So nice job, Bandai, for reusing the sprues. And then here we have the instruction manual itself, where you can see Kuuga in dragon form jumping up. So let's open all these bags and take a look at the sprues one by one. So first up, we have the A sprue, wherein most is black. Of course, most of the colors of Kuuga is black. We have the clear yellow here for the belt when he transforms into the Rising Dragon, and the blue, clear blue here, this is for his eyes visor when he because he is blue, and this is the clear blue when we use the belt for just dragon form, and of course an effect part and some gray parts, gray silver parts here for the belt. So that's the A sprue. We also have the B1 sprue here. So B1 again consisting mostly black, which also comes with a B2 here. B2 is, exactly, just missing the leg parts here. So this is B1 and this is B2. Next up, we have a C2 right here. The C2 here is actually reminiscent, or you actually first saw this in the Amazing Mighty and Rising Mighty parts kit. So most of these parts here is actually for Amazing Mighty, or rather, there are some parts here also for mighty form, which actually includes this. This is for the head. This is for the collar portion, and of course the for the wristbands and the heels part. And yep, this is for the arms here. So that's C2. We then have a, do we have a D1? I think we have a D2 here. The D2 is primarily all blue colors, so for the blue parts of Kuuga, dragon form. We then have an E1, which just consists of the parts for the, I think for the left parts of the body. And we have actually an E2 here, where we see, this is the bow, or sorry, the staff that Kuuga will later on have when he fights, and the body parts for it. Then we have an F1, again back to a black colors. So I think this is for the shoulder pads when he is in dragon, and this one is for rising dragon. And we have another gold sprue, the H1. So most of these parts right now is for the upgrading from dragon form to rising dragon. And of course, lastly, we have the standard stand. Yeah. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of Master Rider Kuuga Dragon / Rising Dragon form. So again, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, and sharing it. And this is Mixerwars, and until next time, see you